damn it, I don't want an Instagram. I don't want it.
Source permit, Jeremy speaking of you.
Hi, bud. Oh, yeah, you can't even see it. I give you just what I needed.
Not off the top of my head, no.
Shillelagh. Lately? I don't know. Getting a boner. Thinking about black women.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, we could look at the features and parameters and see if there's something not set correctly, but I mean, there's no just you know, programming you put in it that gives a good fuel mileage. No.
Terrible. That smells awful. That's terrible.
Yeah. No, I don't know anything about. I don't know about that.
I gave you just what I needed.
Not as far as the Cummins distributor, no. No, we don't have anybody locally here that does anything like
You got
performance
Instagram?
upgrades or anything like that.
I'm thinking about getting an Instagram.
No, sir.
So I can follow porn stars.
Instagram.
I'm sure.
Yeah, it's
I'm
just-
sure
they
there's
post
places
pictures.
out there, but
Oh, that's one, like,
you
the
know, we
picture
just
only
don't
lasts like
venture
5
into
seconds
that.
or
No,
something.
that's
and also I
Snapchat.
Oh,
can't
Snapchat.
know of anything. I'm sure just a search on the internet would be able to find something there.
And you want them, you see it once, and it only lasts 5 to 10
Okay.
seconds.
Yeah, that's Snapchat.
Thank you.
But is it really gone forever?
It's
No.
not though.
Yeah, I wouldn't think.
I don't know.
Holy shit!
I told you it works better that way.
What happened?